Hey, I'm Jared Lanham, and welcome back to Refiner's Forge. So today I went to my metal supplier and got a 4x8 sheet of half-inch plate steel.
You gotta push it from that side.
Because I'm going to be making a new welding table to replace this old one in the back. So it's not completely flat, and I need a bigger one because I'm getting into some architectural forging. Need a bigger layout area. Need something that's nice and flat. So we got a bunch of stuff to move, get out of the shop so I can get the new setup in. So hope you enjoy following along. All right, so after much consternation and struggle, I got my new welding table put together. It was kind of a fight to get the top flat, which is very important when doing layouts, especially fireplace doors, stair rails, stuff like that. So I welded it to the table base, and then I had to cut the welds off, and then I flipped the piece of steel, the plate steel, and flipping a 650-pound piece of plate steel, not the easiest thing in the world. So anyways, finally, by welding some heavy-duty C-channel to it after clamping the table with some other angle iron, we got it flat with the help of my father-in-law, so that was fantastic. But anyways, here I'll give you a little closer look. So here's the table. The piece of plate cell had a bow both long ways and width wise. And so that's what made it so difficult. But I clamped a piece of angle iron lengthwise on it. And then while that was clamped there, we put this piece of C-channel underneath of it and clamped it, welded it the length of the table, and that flattened it both directions. We did that on both sides. So now I have a really nice, flat, big layout table, which I'm sure will come in very handy here in the near future. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and be absolutely fantastic if you subscribed. So now that I got this done, as it seems like with most projects, when you do it, your shop becomes an absolute disaster. So I'm going to try to quickly clean up, get things organized again, and then I've got some more forging to do, got some orders to do. So look for those videos in the future. Hopefully be finishing up a double bit axe today. So I'll be doing that video as well. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at Refiner's Forge.